Turanezerewe kandi kuba twashigikiwe n'ibihugu byo mu karere, umuryango wa Afrika y'ubuseruko. Muri ivyo bihugu rero abarundi ndaza Gaswahili murakazi. Tuko pamoja na ndugu yetu Mheshimiwa Kenneth Kusaka, ni speaker wa Senate ya Kenya. Tunamuomba naye afike hapa asalimie wananchi wa Burundi. Asante sana.
On behalf of His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, President of the Republic of Kenya, and the people of the Republic of Kenya, and on my own behalf, I convey warm felicitations to Your Excellency President Evariste Ndayishimiye, and through you to the people of the Republic of Burundi on this auspicious occasion of the 59th anniversary of independence of Burundi. Kenya's presence here today is not only a testimony of our strong bonds of friendship, but also an affirmation of our shared values and vision for the socio-economic transformation and prosperity of our peoples. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as we commemorate this important event, we also reflect with appreciation on the new path that Burundi has embarked on towards a united, peaceful, stable, and prosperous country. We commend the government under the leadership of President Evariste for the tireless efforts towards economic recovery, national reconciliation, and the promotion of the rule of law, democracy, and good governance as a sure foundation for sustainable development and prosperity of the people of Burundi. We also pay special tribute to the people of Burundi for the fortitude and determination to rebuild their beautiful country in order to pave way for secure and prosperous future. These are commendable developments that are no doubt opening new doors for more trade and investment opportunities and greater partnerships for the growth and development of Burundi. We therefore encourage the government and the people of Burundi to stay the course and consolidate progress made for the prosperity of Burundians and the region. Kenya is fully committed to continue working hand in hand with Your Excellency and the people of Burundi on this path of progress and stability. As partners, states of East Africa community, our commitment to deepening the East Africa integration through implementation of existing protocols has enabled our citizens to share and enjoy substantial dividends so far. We look forward to strengthening these relations in order to exploit immense untapped potential, especially in the area of trade and investment for the well-being of our two countries and the entire region. Finally, Excellency, I once again wish to reaffirm Kenya's solidarity and steadfast commitment to strengthening our two countries' friendship, both at bilateral level and in the spirit of the East African community and the wider Great Lakes region. I wish you and the people of Burundi great success in your national development endeavors. Thank you on behalf of His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, Kenya.